Hello friends, today we are going to show how to download data utilization to USB. So please watch this video until the end. Then easy to learn how to download data utilization to USB. If new come this channel, please subscribe our channel. So this is Leica utilization DS16. So today we are going to show how to download data. Start our videos. Please watch. This utilization right side have one box. You can see here writing Bluetooth. So open it. This is our USB. That insert. Close it and select file. Which file you download? So today 26 we just finished. You can see here export data and input data. Export means utilization to USB, input means USB to utilization. So we export and from here ASC2. There are many options have. Which method you use download, just follow. So you always use ASC2. Then press OK. Press OK. You can see here, new device, USB, two folder, data, output file, voice file we download. Download completed. So this is the method, download data utilization to USB. So please subscribe our channel and join with us.